Hey, you want to make money as a freelancer? If yes, so copy-paste job is one of the most incredible options to help you make handsome money. But you guys will think how? What exactly are copy-paste jobs? Where can we apply for these jobs? We will answer all of your queries. This video will give you everything you need about copy-paste jobs. Copy-paste jobs are the most preferred and sought-after jobs for a prominent reason. Do you know? Anyone can dive into this line of business without the need for technical knowledge or any complicated skills, which means you can do it easily whether you're a high school or regular college graduate. So let's get started. Sit back, grab a drink, and keep watching till the end. You guys might be thinking, can I earn money with copy-paste jobs? Absolutely yes. Many companies and clients hire copy-paste workers to help them with their work. On the internet, there are countless copy-paste jobs available. So there will always be an opportunity to earn money if you have good internet, a computer, and some spare time. Okay, now let's talk about the best copy-paste jobs. You guys might think it's hard. We have to become experts for it. But it is not so. There is not any rocket science. Data entry is the most popular type of online job because it is so flexible. It is fit for anyone looking to work from home since there are usually no particular skill set requirements needed to do the work. But the only requirement is you have basic computer skills like typing and internet research. Data entry is a type of clerical work that involves using various processes, such as typing and voice recording, to enter data into a computer. The data entry clerk is responsible for taking the data they receive from a company and organizing it into an appropriate file system or spreadsheet format. Editor in the freelance world, also known as copy editor. If fast typing isn't your style, editing might be a better option for you. Because many large companies depend on editors to keep their company name on brand and ensure their updated website and marketing materials are accurate. You may copy and paste text from one website to another, but you have a little more stretch when you type. So what kinds of services our copy editor provides? As a copy editor, you will ensure that the material is explicit, consistent, complete, and credible, and that the text is well written, grammatically correct, and accessible. Transcription is one of the popular forms of copy-paste jobs because it usually pays well and can be done at your own speed. You need a computer with a high-speed internet connection and skills with Microsoft Word or Google Docs. You will also want to start practicing shorthand so you can keep up with the fast pace of transcription work. This also means that you'll need excellent listening power, so you won't miss any details during your job. Which kind of job is done by the transcriber? A transcriptionist is a professional who converts audio files into a text format. Some audio and video they transcribe include interviews, podcasts, medical reports, TV shows, webinars, and focus groups. If you are good at internet research, this will get your attention because we are going to talk about data scraping. A data scraper is someone who digs for data on the internet and then stores it in an organized way that makes it easy to find later. You'll take all this information and post it online so that it's easily accessible to others who need that particular type of data. If you want to become a data scraper, you need to know how to find information on the internet and learn the basics of programming. Afterwards, you can generate a handsome amount from here. Product listing is one of the most straightforward copy-paste tasks. You are provided with a product you need to list on an e-commerce website, such as Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, or any other. The process of adding products to all e-commerce stores is the same. After adding a product, you'll need to provide a product name, an image, a short description, and a price. There are no special skills you need to know. Virtual assistant or virtual receptionist. You can provide your services for a few hours. A question must be coming to your mind. What are the responsibilities of a virtual receptionist? Managing the company's knowledge needs, such as managing calendars, appointments, and payroll information. They also spend time answering calls, taking messages and forwarding callers to the intended recipient. Posting a social media bot is nothing but a copy-paste job. You copy and paste the information to the social media sites using the social media handles provided by the company. No hard-hand skills are required. All you have to do is copy and paste, and you can make a nice side income. What does mean by file conversion? File conversion is you have to copy-paste data from one file to another. In this task, you are given a spreadsheet and stocks, and your job is to copy-paste from one file to another. Similarly, stocks to a spreadsheet, PDF to Word document / Word document to PDF. Data is provided in PDF or Word format, so your job is to convert the file from PDF to Word or vice versa. The image is provided by the client or company that needs to be converted into a Word document or Excel sheet, PNG or JPG to text. It depends on the company or person you are doing it for. The amount paid depends on the person / company. While let me be frank, you can earn $50, $100 daily by copying and pasting. But you must be focused and determined to complete as much work as possible. Before working with any person and company, make sure you clear all your questions regarding money and the number of tasks. I love helping you make money online, but I will never guide you to where fraud is possible. So as I will tell you, I will give a list of the names of sites that will help you earn money through copy-paste work. Fiverr is renowned, where you can earn a decent amount of money every month by completing copy-paste jobs. The best thing about Fiverr is that the opt-in process, unlike other platforms, doesn't take long to get you confirmed to sell. You need to create a gig to get work proposals from clients, and limitless copy and paste jobs are available. The largest search engine, Google, is the most transparent platform that can be trusted without a second thought. Okay, fine. Hence, there is no possibility of cheating. First, you have to type top-rated online copy-paste job sites. Once you do that, the next step is to enter the role and location and hit the search button. You will find a list of copy-paste job sites. Explore all the results, select the one that meets your requirements, and enter the website to apply for a copy-paste job. One of the most trusted social media platforms allows millions of people to find relevant jobs according to their skills and profession. It is a free job portal available all over the globe that has helped thousands of companies to get copy-paste and data entry jobs and hire freelancers. In conclusion, if you are interested in earning $50 a day online for free, many opportunities are available. Some of the best ways to earn money online include copying and pasting jobs, paying surveys, and creating your own business. Another way is to use online job boards and networks to look for the best opportunity for you or to search for jobs on job sites. Finally, always keep a lookout for new opportunities that come your way. Make sure to take advantage of all the options available to you and make good use of the free resources available. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.